Maraming salamat ulit sa ABS-CBN Bantay Kalikasan for giving us the opportunity again to be part of your advocacy in terms of preserving Mother Nature here in La Mesa Watershed Nature Reserve.
More on appreciation and understanding on how we can protect our environment and how we can do more to participate any kind of mission that ABS-CBN Bantay Kalikasan is promoting right now, yung advocacy natin in conserving the La Mesa Watershed.
Before we planted 50 trees when we were still at our 50 stores. Now that Mr. DIY is more than 400 stores here in the Philippines, so 400 trees ang itatanim natin.
So ngayon, dadamahin nyo kung paano mag-tree planting, kung paano gawin ang pag-rehabilitate, pag-maintain, pag-sustain ng La Mesa Watershed.
For this day, this is for Mother Nature and iisa lang yung ginagalawan nating lahat. So I guess having that fresh air, having less pollution, having more trees, especially here in Manila na napaka-prone sa mga baha at kung anumang mga kalamidad, yung watershed will really help us in terms of providing a brighter and better future for our children. And let's enjoy the rest of this morning.